Before replacing the seat cushion, we need to unplug the chair. Next, we'll tip it forward onto its front. This gives us access to the hook and loop fasteners that secure the rear of the seat cushion, which we need to detach. Okay, then we can return the chair to the upright position. And next we need to raise up the footrest. Next, we'll pull up on the rear of the seat cushion to bring those tabs with the hook and loop fasteners to the front. And we'll tip this just enough to expose the heater cable behind it and disconnect those connectors. Next, we need to tip the chair onto its backrest to give us access to the underside of the seat cushion. And then we'll use a 1/8 inch Allen wrench to remove the 4 screws that secure the seat cushion to the footrest frame. And we can remove the seat cushion from the chair. Okay, to install the new seat cushion then, we'll place it into position, and then we'll start by aligning those 4 mounting holes on the cushion with the corresponding holes on the footrest frame and replacing the 4 screws to secure it. Okay, once that's secure, we can return the chair to the upright position and then reconnect the heater cable. Okay, then we're ready to tuck the tabs containing the hook and loop fasteners back behind the backrest. And then we need to use the remote control to lower the footrest. And then we can tip the chair forward to give us access to attach those hook and loop fasteners. Okay, then we can return the chair to the upright position one more time. Plug it back in. And we're done.